Hey, what's going on, YouTube? So this is a 1989, I'm sorry, Chevy S15 with a 3.4 engine, the Vortex. I just picked this up a couple days ago. Doesn't even have registration yet, as you can see. No plates. Tomorrow's our appointment to the DMV. Thank you, coronavirus. So the blue, it looks like a little baby blue, sky blue, whatever you want to call it. And I'm not gonna lie, when I saw this online, I was like, man, I don't want this truck. Look at that blue, it looks ugly. But man, this color grew on me. Seeing it in person, in real life, it's a beautiful car, man. I haven't even washed it yet. Today's a Tuesday. I bought it yesterday. We're already doing some upgrades, so we're gonna start off with showing you the inside. So the first modification I did was the steering wheel. You're welcome. Walmart, $10.99. But all right, all jokes aside, you guys are here to see the install. So that's the I guess it came with it, the CD player. Then the guy broke the antenna, so it doesn't work. So we are gonna replace the radio. We're gonna install this this kicker right here. I think it got like $40 dual kicker, nothing crazy, 10 inch. And we're gonna change out these speakers. These are 4x6s. So in order to get to the speaker, you see the one over there, it's one on each side. The truck has 4 speakers that I know of right now. So it's there, 1, 2, 3 behind the seatbelt, and then 4 right here. And we're gonna add that. So that's that. Let me walk over here to my car, show you what we're gonna be putting in. This is a 2021 Caravan or something like that. Oh shit, yeah. We're gonna be putting in this cheap $30-$40 radio, and it has Bluetooth. I mean, we're just gonna be connecting it with Bluetooth. So we have the amp kit. You need an amp kit. Got some extra speaker wire in case we make mistakes. So we get to have and not need, and need and not have. The small speakers that we're installing are the Sony XSR4646 4x6 speakers with the wattage. So every speaker you buy, every set of speaker you buy comes with this personalized connectors. So make sure you guys open the box before you purchase them. Sometimes people steal them if the box hasn't been sealed. So luckily for us, we have both of ours here, and this is going to be the aftermarket stereo kit. So you guys already saw that the truck already has a kit, but you know, you can never be too safe. Like I said, it's always better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. So hopefully we don't use it, but if we do, then it's here. And then you also need your wires, your hardware. I picked up this little kit for like $30-$40. I don't remember, but it has everything you need: zip ties, stripper, all that good stuff. So as we go throughout our progress, I'll be recording as much as I can. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. And today's assistant is Meredith. Say hi. Hi. Alright guys, so this is the cover for the passenger side. I just used one of these, whatever they're called, removers, and I just started popping it up. So on this side, it should have 2 of those metal hinges. It only has 1 because it broke, but it's an easy fix, just some glue. And you know, just want to let you guys know it's super easy. You need a 7mm ratchet, socket, whatever, and I just go to town. And I'm gonna try to get this with one hand. But over there, she's working on the wiring already for the new Sony speaker. Anything you want to tell them?
No, pretty basic. Positive, negative, negative.
Yeah, positive, negative. There's a black wire for the negative, black and white. So some speaker wires are like blue, black. The one that's solid is power, it's positive, and the one that's with the line, a black line down it's usually the negative, the ground or whatever negative. So this is what it's gonna look like when you get it out of here. Just stock speakers. Look at that, pretty disgusting, right? So what you want to do is just cut it as close as you can. Sometimes you might need a connector. That's why you gotta look at your stuff first. For this job, I'm just gonna be able to cut it, and that's why we're doing wire working. That's why we're working with the wire. But if you have any questions, let me know. Leave it at the comment box. I mean, I'm only here to help. I'm learning just like you guys, and hopefully we can help each other out. All right, guys. So to get to this radio, we need to remove the cluster cover, and it's just 4 screws. I mean, every truck probably is different, but this truck has the star pattern. It's just 4 of these, and then as you see what she's doing. Sorry about the music, she's kind of ratchet. She's getting the connectors off, and then that will come off, and then you work your way down, you pull this off, and then you'll be able to work up here. Alright guys, so correction. We just took this part off, and this part. Well, that's what we can just do. What we did was we took off the whole cluster and all this extra stuff. But the good thing is we now know how to take all that stuff off. We could have saved some more time, but we didn't know, and we're just going the careful route. So what's holding this, the radio case or the radio housing, is just these 2 clips up here at the top, and then at the bottom there's this metal clip right here. So we're missing, another clip is right there, in there still. We just gotta take it out. I
think the clip's supposed to stay in there.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. So right now we're doing the wiring, and for those of you that have never got a new radio before, you need to wire these to that. So pretty much it's pretty simple. Check this out. So red, blue, yellow, and black. Find the red, blue, yellow, and black wires there, and these wires over here are the speaker wires. So depending on your car, you'll have 2 sets of colors equals 1 speaker. It could be left front, right front, left back, left rear, front rear, or front rear. That doesn't make sense. But so we have 4 speakers, so just connect them. You can follow the pattern. There's always a color code. It's color coded. So it's really that simple. I mean, you have your power, you have your ground, you have your ignition one, and then you have your antenna. So I mean, there it is. It's that simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. We're here to help. Hey, what's going on YouTube? So we just got done detailing the car. Earlier we did the speakers, and I'm sorry, it just looks beautiful. You gotta take a moment and look at the truck. So we set up the speakers, we wired them, wired the radio. Let me show you guys what I got going on over here. Alright, so we haven't done the floors yet, but we detailed the rest of it. Took some time. I started this video earlier today. We still have to connect the amp. This amp is actually really easy to connect, not like the one I had in my Volkswagen Passat that I just sold. So it's it's like about $100 amp, maybe 89. I don't know, to be honest. So that's the radio. Let me close the door. Alright, let me get some power in here. And again, this radio is cheapest $30-$40 radio I could find. Okay, it's not that key. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. So right now I am in 2nd gear, so because my car likes to roll back, my e-brake's not working. I gotta fix that. So if you guys don't know how to start a standard manual, whatever you want to call it, make sure you're in neutral. Hit the clutch and the brake. Starts right up. Neutral. Let it go. Look, boom. That's what I wanted to catch. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't catch it. But Bluetooth on, and it's gonna connect right. It should connect soon. There you go. So I'm recording, and sorry about that. So the music started playing, and I was recording. So I don't know if you guys caught that. But yeah, here it is. I mean, it works. All the speakers work. Tomorrow we're gonna knock out the subwoofer in the truck. A little 10-inch subwoofer. For those of you that saw this box on the floor is Oasis. It's a kit for the engine. But yeah, I mean, I can't play music on it right now, but it works. I mean, it's super easy to connect. Very easy. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And yep, this is my truck, my new truck. my mamalona. Some of you might know what that is. If you don't, Google it.